So this two, I'm going to connect it to this. Now I'll separate the wire. Okay. You can sellotape it so that the two negative and positive will not touch. But if it touch, it can cause distortion. But I'm going to use my gun because it can't pass through the plastic of the gun. So I'm going to use it. So before that is done, let me do the two. So this it. So these my two things. I'm going to actually connect the battery, but before then, to check something. So it needs wire. That's what it needs. So now I'll come and use this tool cover that I've pressed the on. I'll shook this wire inside. Put it before it very well. Then put it there. Very nice. I'm coming. So this is it done and prepared. Done. This is the other one. Use that thing here first. You need to come and try it. Although this can also be a battery charger. This thing that I'm making right now, you can just make it in these two wires. You connect it to thing, but make sure you put the regulator so that maybe the battery will not go, so that the current will not be too high for the battery. I'll show you. So this it's done. So I've already gotten the battery. So then I use sellotape to gum. So now, right now, I'm not going to be using sellotape, but to be using my ultimate glue gun.